how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to Motovlog Adventures. We're out on an afternoon cruise today. Believe it or not, it's the middle of summer, August 13th, 2021, but we got cloud cover, we've got nice cool breeze kicking in. Man, it feels good. Perfect day for a ride. Perfect day for doing anything outside, really. See a lot of folks hiking on the trails around here. Be a great day for that too. But there's nothing like getting out on the bike just to clear the mind, relax a bit. So I'm riding on a 2015 Honda Goldwing GL 1800. I got this bike a couple months ago, used. It was on consignment at a dealership and only had 12,000 miles on it. I'd been pondering, I was between the Goldwing and a Harley for a couple months, and I was even thinking about perhaps purchasing new, but I'm open to buying used if the right deal showed up, and got really lucky with this one. I feel I'd been monitoring the websites of my local dealers, and this bike wasn't on the site, and I just did a walk-in just to see what was going on there, and right in front of me is this beautiful black and chrome Goldwing looking cherry, and it had just gotten dropped off that morning. So yeah, truly blessed. Got a great deal on the bike. It was the top of the line Goldwing, the 40th anniversary edition back in 2015, so I got it for about half of that original price. Very happy. This is my first Goldwing. I've been riding a Kawasaki Concours for the last 16 years. I've been riding in total for about 25 years. Started off on mopeds and scooters, and now we've graduated to the big boys here. This is a 900-pound bike, and I am absolutely loving it. Hey, the view's actually coming through pretty nice. Look at that. You know what? I think I'm gonna turn around and show you guys the beautiful views on this cruise here. Usually these places, these little turnoffs on this road are packed with people, but not today, not at this time at least. Wow, they've completely blocked off these roads to cars. Interesting. Used to be open for parking. That really changes things. So usually on overcast days like this, the view is terrible, but clouds are still up above the city here. How's that for a view? That's the Bay Bridge, and then that's Treasure Island. That little island coming off the side there on the right. All those tall buildings there, that's downtown San Francisco. The Golden Gate's behind that fog, Golden Gate Bridge. And the island straight ahead there is Alcatraz. So you go from San Francisco across the Golden Gate, you end up in Marin, which is right over there. So most of that's covered in fog right now. And all of this city down here in front of us is Berkeley, and Emeryville is over to the left there. Anyway, it's a beautiful day for a cruise, like I said. So here's a better look at the bike. Isn't she beautiful? So here's the back seat for the wife. I'm going to be installing some armrest on here for her. This bike's got all the bells and whistles, heated grips, heated seats, navigation. It's got XM radio, everything you could want in a bike. And we'll pop this trunk. It's pretty large. Got a spare helmet in here. You can fit 2 helmets in here. And I installed this little organizer here on the roof of the lid. Saddlebags here. Lots of storage. And there's 2 DIN plugs on the bike. One up here for me, one back here for your passenger. And what I do is I plug in a wireless communication setup, so all the radio, navigation, as well as our headsets are all connected together when we're on the bike. Then I put this little storage bag here on the back of the seat. This is a little motorcycle alarm I installed. Senses motion. So I'll start it up so you can hear what that sounds like. I've got a pretty busy recording setup going on here. Got the helmet cam, I've got a handlebar cam, external mic for my voice, and I've also got the bike mic'd up. Then in post-production, I'm able to put it all together and make it sound pretty clean. So hopefully it's coming through good for you guys, and it's enjoyable to watch.